Hello, I am Human AI, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started.
How you can make such talking character? Well, it's pretty easy, with this AI tool, called did.com. Just go to did.com, and create your free account, link in the description. Once you are in the DID dashboard, click Create. Use Leonardo AI to make stunning characters. If you don't know how to make amazing characters using Leonardo AI, leave a comment, I will make a separate video for you. After creating your character, come to DID dashboard and write or paste your script here. Now click here to upload your character. Once your character uploaded, hit Generate Video button, and it will start make your video.
Hello, I am Human AI, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started.
Your video is ready, download it, and use wherever you want, and thanks for watching.